Okay, so Komotso from South Africa.
Yeah.
So from South Africa. Now, how was this coaching call, Komotso?
Like I said, you've covered a lot of things, Shabir, in a short space of time. And the message that I'm getting is that you've developed a workable or proven system that needs to be followed, and we have proved that if you follow that thing, there's no way that you cannot be successful. Give an example of Bimpe, and which is what I also aspire to follow those tracks. And yeah, it was an eye opener to me. Meeting with you, it added value to me. Even the way I see things, my perception also has been shifted, So going back there, I'll know where to touch. And I promise when we meet again, the second call, you meet a different person. Or the step two, the step number 2. You will not see me on, you won't find me on step 1. I'll move to step 2 the next time we meet again. So yeah, I think I've gained a lot, and there's still a lot for me to do. That's what I see.
What are the 3 takeaways? What are the 3 takeaways that you got from this call?
Yeah, the sample of this, the elephant, fish, and the monkey. I could even see vividly in my mind. So when I do things, those things will pop in. That okay, is the elephant? Do you see the elephant? Do you see the fish and the monkey? So those are the 3 sort of guidelines that I'm going to be using, because now they've stuck into my mind now. So I think that's what really I'll take away from this our call.
Perfect. Thank you for I'm really happy, and I'm always whenever I get on these calls, every student of mine says that your call was an eye-opener. So that's why I love my work, and I love taking the people to the next level. Thank you for telling me what you got from this call.